Hey guys, thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you really quick about the measurements for the tile ornaments. Many people have asked me, how in the world do you put 6 ornaments or 6 shapes on one print-to-cut sheet of paper? And I'm going to show you what the magical numbers are. So I'm going to upload my sorry about my dog. I'm going to upload my design, or my template, I guess you can say. Of course, it's huge when it first comes in, so I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to unlock it. The width, I'm going to put 3.5, and the height, I'm going to put 4.3. So those are your numbers. Then I'm going to duplicate it 5 more times. I am then going to get a square or rectangle. You know, it's going to be a rectangle, but I'm going to unlock. And my magical numbers for the box is 6.75 width, and the height is 9.25. I'm going to change the color to make it, better. Now I'm going to send it to the back, and I right click and then send to back. I'm then going to take my ornament pieces, and I'm just going to move them and rotate them as best as I can on this gray sheet of paper. I gotta make another one. And you want to put them as close as you can to each one. Just like that. Oh, let's see. Okay, so as you can see, they're not touching. Well, this one's touching, so let me fix that one. And you might have to play with it. It takes a while to make sure you have them right. Okay, as you can see, all of them are on my gray sheet. So I'm going to go over here and hide it, and to make sure that that my measurement's okay, I'm going to highlight all of them, and they are within the range. So 6.75, so this is under it, and then the height would be 9.25, so this is under it. So if I wanted to print these, which I'm not going to print them, I just wanted to show you that it is possible to use an ornament size. And then if I wanted to print this, all I would do is highlight all of them, click attach on the bottom, and then I would click on make it. But I'm not going to print them. The main goal of this video was just to show you the magical numbers to print and cut for the ornaments. And you can do this with, photos too. Like I said, you can do this with photos too, of course. I have this dog that I sliced. And so to change it to this exact, to change the measurements, I would just come up here to the top, undo it, and literally push 3.5, and the height would be 4.3, and then enter, and then I would lock it. and then I would just take it and, you know, I would move one of these, you know, to show you, but then I could put it there. And you could do that with a lot, and that's how you would put 6 on one sheet. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm not the best at talking or speaking or anything like that. Sometimes I mumble with my words. I try my best, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. Thank you for watching.